All right, going to be taking a look at BLDV right now, currently traded at 0043, another one we've been watching here for quite a while. Just went over this one on the first as well. 0037, resistance at 4, support at 312. Yeah, 0031 and 002. Watch for a break at 004. If not, and volume slows, we'll fill the gap down here. You guys did follow up and get that break. You guys got that break here, was it 2 days in a row right off of that. Again, right up there when we were watching this one was down here quite a bit. You guys finally did get through that resistance level at 4. Now it's going to be a support line. I am going to watch for a 5. One thing that I'm watching here is the way that this thing has been trading here lately. I mean, if you follow these stocks, it's something that obviously you should be following as well. I mean, not saying that this thing can't run up way higher. I'm sure it could. But what I'm watching here right now is, if you notice here, you got the close up here and then the open here and then the open lower from the previous close. But it's not just like once or twice. It just seems like it's really repetitive here. Even right here as well. So it's like 4 days in a row. It keeps opening up a little bit lower than what it previously closed at and then rebounded up. Almost like it's being pushed up to that level. That's just my opinion, but it doesn't really matter as long as we continue to watch everything. Just play it safe and watch the way that it's been trading here. You guys are going to have some major support at 0029, which is going to be that 10-day simple moving average. There are gaps in here. We talked about that before. If the volume starts slowing down, it could. I'm going to be watching for that break at the 0050 in my personal opinion. If you guys can't break that, I personally think that it might be pulling down a little bit. You guys get pulling down that 10-day simple moving average, might get up there. If it can't, then trade sideways down that 10-day simple moving average right along here. It's a very possibility. Right now, the RSI is at 82, starting to get up to that overbought territory. Again, I'm not trying to make this sound negative or anything. I'm just giving you guys my personal opinion on what I see here. 1, 2, 3 moves here, 2 moves, then a pullback. We haven't had a pullback here for 5 days now, or at least tomorrow. We'll see how that plays out. But like I said, watch for that break at 005, and we'll see what Joe has to add.
All right, so with these ones, since the last time we went over it, the thing I'm seeing here is a notification of a late filing. So they basically stated that the quarterly will be up on 5/20/2017. So that's pretty much it. So if you want to continue doing your research or due diligence on BLDV, just go right over to that board over here on Investors Hangout. From there, you'll see the company profile, the time and sales, recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on that Blue Diamond Ventures Incorporated board.
I'm just adding in here 0044. Watch for a break at 005. I mean, if it breaks at 5, it could rally, but it's starting to get overbought. I said might be getting ready for a pullback, in my opinion. We're gonna put that resistance level at 0045 and 50, and then support at a follow up underneath there, a little bit lower here. You're not gonna have too much below, like that 40. And then followed up by that 29. So that 29. Gap again is 0.0031. 32. It's not that big of a. Definitely. All right, so if you follow BLDV, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it very much. Stay updated with this hot stock and all the other hot stocks that we watch. Make sure you don't forget to join us at investorshangout.com/live.